Good morning everyone. Welcome to ASL class. Today we are going to discuss Unit 9 on the right track. Listen to the audio warm up 1.
Unit 9. Warm up 1. Listen to this poem and read it aloud.
I'm waiting at the railway station. Got a ticket for my destination. On a tour to a distant land. My suitcase and guitar in hand. And every stop is neatly planned for a poet and a one-man band.
After listening the audio, you should recite the poem given here. Now listen to the audio listening.
Unit 9. Listening. Rajiv and his mother are discussing their travel plans. As you listen to their discussion, put a tick mark if the item in column B is correct and a cross if it is incorrect. Before you listen, read the items in the table in your book. Rajiv, Ritika, listen to me carefully now. We've made all the arrangements for our trip. Tomorrow, we leave for the station immediately after lunch. I've booked a taxi for the three of us at 2.
What about Pa?
He'll get to the station directly from his office. We'd better leave on time because the train leaves Chennai station at 16:15. That's 4:15. And it won't wait for us.
We'll finish all our packing tonight then.
We'll keep a shawl handy for each of us in a handbag. Other things can be packed in the suitcases. We're going to travel with only 2 suitcases. It's good to travel light.
Ritika, it's a long journey. We'll carry a book and a game so that we don't get bored.
I'll pack chapatis and some vegetable for dinner. And we'll buy some fruits on the way. We'll reach Hyderabad at 7 in the morning in time for breakfast.
How long are we going to be in Hyderabad?
We'll be there for 2 days. We'll visit some famous places and do some shopping. I'm going to buy some glass bangles.
Me too.
And from Hyderabad, we'll go on to Delhi and spend a week there.
Wow, Delhi, our capital city. We are going to have fun. Can't wait to get onto the train.
Now look at page number 60, get it right and listen to the audio.
Unit 9. Get it right. Listen to the words in color carefully. He'll get to the station directly from his office. He's very proud of his team. What do his and his mean? Now listen to these sentences and clap if you hear his, and tap the desk if you hear his. 1. He's coming to the museum with us. 2. Rajiv has packed his bag. 3. Rohit says that he's not feeling well. 4. Nitin takes good care of his pets. 5. Sajid asked Sandhya where his bag was. 6. He's very kind and looks after his pets well.
Now look at language help. Here are some words which helps. Future indicators, words or phrases related to travel by train, words or phrases for making travel plans. Now listen to the audio, listen, read and recite.
Unit 9. Listen, read and recite. Listen to the poem From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Then recite it with the same rhythm and speed.
From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sights of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever.
Now look at page number 61, speaking. Rajiv and Ritika are excited about their trip to Delhi. They discuss what they will do in Delhi and make plans for their stay. Now use the clues in this table and write it in your rough book. Look at helpful tips. When we travel, we usually do so over long distances with luggage for work or on a holiday. When we travel short distances every day, often to our schools, colleges or workplaces, we commute. She travels to China every 6 months for a week. He commutes from his house in Gurugram to his workplace in Noida every day. Look at page number 62, more practice. Ashwin and Aditi are discussing their plans for their trip to Kanyakumari. Aditi remembers what happened on their last trip and Ashwin talks about how they will plan for this trip. Now use these pictures and write it in your rough book. B. Your class is going on a trip to a hill station. Your teacher has chosen a group of 3 students and asked them to prepare a travel plan for the trip. Discuss the plan in groups of 3. Use the clues in the boxes as help and write it in your rough book. Mode of transport, train. Journey times 12 hours. Stay in hill station 3 days. Places to see, botanical garden, a waterfall, sunset point, things to do, trekking, boating, weather cold. These are the clues given here. Now, so dear children, that's the end of today's class. Thank you everyone. See you.